sunset on Ashura, bodies laid scattered in Karbala. Did they have no shame? Ahlul Bayt were slain. Zainab lamented to Fatima. Oh dearest mother, ya Fatima, look what has happened in Karbala. Come back and save us. They have betrayed us. Zainab lamented to Fatima. When your son Hussein took his beloved to the battlefield for some water, they quenched his thirst with a three-pronged arrow. Zahra, you do not want to know more. Even a baby was martyred thirsty. Zainab lamented to Fatima. When Hussein's son Akbar gave the adhan, they thought Rasulullah was calling. It struck them that they were on the wrong side, but then they saw Ali Akbar speaking. They had no decency and felt no sympathy. Zainab lamented to Fatima. When my two young sons, Aun and Muhammad, went out and fought so valiantly, I was grateful and thanked the Almighty for what a blessing He did give me. Defending the truth, rejecting falsehood, Zainab lamented to Fatima. That night after Hussein had been martyred, I stood outside and alone with my sword. I was the guardian of all the children, but then a man did slowly approach. When he came closer, was it my father? Zainab lamented to Fatima. When your great-grandson will reappear, he will resemble Rasulullah. He will come back near the holy Kaaba and avenge the blood of Karbala. Salam on you, son, the holy 12th one. Zainab lamented to Fatima. Oh dearest mother, ya Fatima, look what has happened in Karbala. Come back and save us. They have betrayed us. Zainab lamented to Fatima. صلوا على محمد وآله.